What is going on, you guys? Brandon again, coming back with another great review. Today, we got this 22-inch griddle with hood cart. It's kind of hard for you to see. You can see a little bit right here, but 22-inch griddle here, propane tank grill. Got this bad boy for Christmas. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. This is a BlackStone Griddle. It says it can do 12 pancakes, 16 bacon strips, 12 fried eggs, 12 chicken breasts, 12 hamburgers, or 9 steaks, all at the same time. Not all at the same time, but you know, like you can do 12 pancakes at once, 12 fried eggs. It has 2 independent controlled cooking zones, so you can have one side like medium, one hot, or whatever, or one just like keeping it warm type deal. It has a grease cup liner inside. And the entire thing is angled backwards a little bit, so the grease all runs back. It does say easy assembly, assembles in 30 minutes or less. So, we'll put that to the test. We'll see how that is. Cool. And the only other part that's left is the actual griddle and top itself. So you're only looking at the griddle, the top, the base, the legs, and the knobs. So yeah, this thing should assemble pretty dang nicely. So all right, so it took me 51 minutes and 7 seconds to complete this. A little bit further than the 30 minutes, which, I mean, let's be honest, we all knew that. So this is what it looks like from the front. Pretty good. Not bad at all. The inside, it's pretty nice. So now all we gotta do is go and get the propane tank and it'll be all set up. The setup was actually fairly easy. It was pretty dang good, especially for grills. It's probably one of the easier grills I definitely have ever set up. Didn't have any of those stupid wing nuts or anything. So that was pretty nice. The assembly, like I said, it was pretty decent. 51 minutes and 7 seconds. Not terrible, could be better. Put your time down below. Tell me what you got if you're setting this thing up. What you're gonna need though is a screwdriver and 2 of these wrenches. They tell you you just need 1, I believe, in the instructions, but you're gonna need 2. And yeah, make sure you have before assembly because you don't want to be running back and forth like I did for tools. Another tip is when you're getting stuff out of here, you just use a knife, cut the back, make these cuts, and it pops out way easier. And you don't have to hurt your fingers. All right, went to the local gas station and picked up a new tank. Got it installed, got everything on. Go ahead and see, I guess we'll go over here. If we can turn this thing on now. There we go. Got some flames. Sweet. Everything works great. Time to season this baby real quick and be ready to cook. So to season the grill, what you're gonna want to do is turn the burners on to high. You may be able to tell here that the griddle is slightly discolored. That's what you're gonna want there. And all you gotta do is take a little bit of oil. I got grapeseed oil because it's good for high heat. Just go ahead and dump a little bit on there. Again, nothing crazy, just a little bit on there so you can rub the oil all around. You need a little more than that. There's not any they say a tablespoon, but you just gotta do what feels best for you. And you're just gonna rub it all over so that every part of the griddle is covered. Like so. And it's supposed to smoke because that's the oil coming off. ahead and reset there. Trying to get it in the corners. It's important too. You want to get the whole griddle. And then just wait for that to, start to burn off there. And once that burns off, after about, 2 or 3 minutes, you go ahead and rinse and repeat 3 to 5 times, your choice, depending on how seasoned you want it.
Get a level or something and level it out, because the way that this concrete is, the way that I have it positioned, the grease wants to like run forwards. You have to kind of like push the grease in the back, so make sure you're on a level area. And the whole grease pan, you can just buy those from the store and kind of replace them as time goes. But all in all, I mean, it's a pretty dang good grill. I got really nothing bad to say about it. It's propane, so it's quick and easy, unlike the charcoal. Obviously charcoal is delicious, but you want something quick and easy, it's good to go. The only thing I hadn't cooked on it yet is steaks, but I've heard that steaks are pretty dang good on the griddle too. It's kind of like going to Waffle House or something. I mean, it's just delicious stuff. And the more you cook on it, the more you grill on it, the more it's going to be seasoned and have all that flavor. It's going to taste better. So yeah, like I said, really the only bad thing is you're going to have to find a level spot for it. Maybe lift up one side or whatever. I might have to just move the grill so that the grease runs back. But besides that, I think it's a pretty dang good grill. So hopefully you enjoyed the review, and if you did, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell button. That'd be great, and I'll see y'all next weekend.
But you keep pulling me. But you keep pulling me.